Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the My Summer Car game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box and now just type in My Summer Car to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart in order to proceed towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just enter your credentials, followed by the billing information. And once you have completed your payment, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation in just a few clicks. And once it is done, you can start enjoying the My Summer Car game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the My Summer Car game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.